The good word yesterday was Bud Light. I wonder what it is today.
More Bud Light.
American muscle, man. There ain't no room in here for metric shit.
Good freaking morning. We're back at Camp David. This is part 2 of Frank's Cab Corners.
His idea was it to fix this thing. Oh. All right. See what happens. Did I hear a beer over there?
Oh, he tricked you. Iced tea.
Son of a...
Is this a new piece of metal?
It's one that came off here. Someone didn't put it on right. They just riveted it on.
But it was that outside piece?
Yeah, the
Oh,
overlap.
really? Wow, it looked a lot worse than that. Did you clean it up?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it had to so I can weld it.
I was unsure the last video we made. I didn't know if we were going to reuse that one or buy a new one.
We use it all. We're too cheap. All right. Look at that motherfucker. All right. We got a dilemma. Yeah. Maybe I might just be right. That shit. I think I can get that to work that way.
It looks good from here.
Yeah. We'll see. We shall see.
I was looking for stickers too. I actually took some of your Headman ones
Oh, did
and already put them on, but they're tiny.
This had something on his dash.
Well, I was looking for some stuff when I bought my headers, but I must have thrown all my stickers out.
This is how I'm paying David. First one
Oh.
today. Little stickers.
Punch that in. Looking good, kid. Look at that.
Yep, looks good. She's stitched in.
All right, I'm going to cool down and grind her up. See what happens. Christopher, see what you think. Yeah, all right, so I'm no longer allowed to do welding until I had at least 8 to 9 beers.
Now we know. Put that on the shop break.
How much for welding? 8 to 9 beers, $47 plus 85 for the welder.
Oh, I don't think you understand the full extent of the excitement I have right now.
Glad you're getting your rocks off. Damn near cut my finger off again. That's twice for that truck. I knew I gave it away for a reason. Appreciation level's really, really down to around 2% right now, I think. The fuck? Uncle Dave comes through once again, as always.
Building a church again.
Jesus.
I don't think I've ever got a shot with you next to the camper.
Like that.
And that is the reason why we call it Camp David.
Pearl Bailey used to say, a hard man's good to find these days.
So how long's that first coat gotta sit?
That'd be good in like 20, 30 minutes. I don't need to finish it at this point. It's just about so I can get the box on, get it lined up, make sure everything's...
Shop manager is back. What's on your mind today?